Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to put your business profile on the Google Map, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is open your preferred browser. So I'm using Google Chrome browser here. So you have to obviously you have to use the Google here. Now you have to simply search for your business name here. Like I'm going to search for my business name here. Now if you search on it, you will find it if it's listed. So right now my business is not listed, so it is actually a demo name here, or business you can say. So you have to go to the my business, search for my business here. Now you will find this Google My Business page here, the business profile. So simply click on it. Now from here you can go to the Manage Now button here. Click on Manage Now button and you can find your business from here. So you have to do is, it's not verified here. So if you have a verified and it's visible to customers, then you can find this service area. If you want to delete it from the Google Map, so you can find this service area, or you can go to the edit profile section, or where you can scroll down and you can find the service area also. With this pencil icon, you can simply click on this pencil icon where you can find the location. You can delete the location and simply click on save, and or you can do is go back here. Okay. So from here, when you have deleted it, so when you delete your service area, it will be unregistered from your business from the Google Map. Or other thing you can do is simply I'm going to create and simply click on this three-dot button here where you can find business profile settings. Now from here you can find a remove business profile. You can simply click on it and you can find this remove profile, content and management, or stop managing this profile. So you can transfer the management here, or you can simply click on remove and simply click on continue, and it will remove all of your details from business profile from your Google Map. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.